For more on the markets, I want to bring in Ben Dunbar, managing partner at Gerber Kawasaki. Ben, good morning. Thanks so much for coming on this Monday. As Baker was just mentioning, Moderna out this morning with news that its vaccine is 94% effective. They're going to be asking for emergency use authorization from the FDA. Not really moving the markets, though. Is that just because it was as expected?
Yeah, I mean, look what already has happened in November, how well the market's done. So that's already to be expected. I mean, I think we're already looking next year for kind of good vaccine news to start affecting the market because this has already been priced in.
Yeah, I mean, what is the timeline at this point in terms of what the market is expecting? We know Pfizer and now Moderna applying for emergency use authorization. What is the expectation on when people will actually get these vaccinations?
Yeah, it's not going to be as easy as a lot of people think. We have a lot of people that need to get vaccines. Obviously, everyone needs to get two vaccines, so tracking that is going to be a bit complicated. So, look, we're not out of the woods yet. It's not just all of a sudden we have a vaccine, we turn the economy back on, and everything is back to normal. A lot of these businesses, like restaurants, have been struggling for months and are getting re-shut down now. I mean, we're going to see what the next couple weeks look like, but ultimately, like, we're definitely not out of it yet. It's going to be 6, 9 months dealing with distributing this vaccine and making sure we can get things a bit back to, quote, normal.
Black Friday sales, not normal. In-store sales down about 50%. Online shopping up about 25%. These numbers not really unexpected. But do you think this is just changed forever because of the pandemic? Do you think that the doorbuster sales and in-store shopping is kind of just forever going to have taken a hit as people get used to buying stuff online?
Yeah, it's funny you said that. Not normal, but is it the new normal? Look, we've started to see this movement to shopping more online, more people just buying stuff on Amazon when they want it, when they need it, not waiting for Christmas. And so, maybe next year it's splitting the difference. There's still substantially more online sales. Maybe we get foot traffic back up next year, but looking around, it's just people aren't as excited to go out and deal with the crowds on Black Friday. And we're looking at all these different companies that are doing similar sales online, and it's substantially easier when you can sit at home and you can buy what you want and what you need. And these numbers were semi exciting in that people are still spending money, but that's because they're sitting at home and saving money in other places.
In terms of small businesses who are still looking for help from the government, what are your thoughts now on any type of stimulus package? Is it on your radar? It doesn't appear that lawmakers are any close to any kind of deal. At one point, the market was pricing in that there would be another massive stimulus package. What is the thinking at this point?
Look, it's going to be hard to pass. We still have the Senate runoff in Georgia. We have just the holidays coming up, and it's going to be challenging for something to pass. So we're not sitting waiting for it. I mean, we've seen such a huge run up in the market. We're a bit more conservative right now just because of the run up in the market. And we do not think it's as easy as, hey, we have this vaccine and things are going to work just fine. And so our eyes is it's a good idea to be a bit more defensive right now. It's the risk reward just isn't there, except if you look at areas where people are spending money. I mean, kids are still playing games, people spending money on their pets. That stuff's not changing. But as far as sitting and waiting for stimulus bill to be passed, we wouldn't be expecting it right away.
And just on the earnings front, Zoom earnings out after the bell today. What are your expectations?
Look, multiple hundreds% of growth. I mean, Zoom is absolutely insane. And I mean, it's completely changed how we communicate. Even us at work, we use Zoom when we're working. It's no longer Skyping, it's Zooming. So when you talk about brand awareness, Zoom is a great company. Is it worth what it's worth? I mean, the valuation is crazy, but look, they're going to be amazing numbers with Zoom. And a lot of people 6 months ago were saying, oh, we're going to do this video conferencing and then it's going to be gone. But look, we will still be Zooming long past now, and Zooming on video, not just Zooming on the road.
All right. I did a Zoom Thanksgiving, something I never would have
That's
thought would have happened in 2019. So I think you
yeah.
might be right there. Okay, Ben Dunbar, managing partner at Gerber Kawasaki. Really great to have you on. Thank you so much.